Fine, let us start solving the problem number 2 of 2017. Right, the cost of 5 t-shirts is the same as the cost of 7 trousers. The cost of 1 t-shirt is 210. Find the cost of 1 trouser. That is what we need to find out. What they have given, the cost of 5 t-shirts is equal to cost of 7 trousers. So now we need to find out the cost of 1 trouser, right? So cost of 1 trouser is equal to 5 by 7 of t-shirt, 1 t-shirt. Now let us check out this. What is the cost of 1 t-shirt? That is 5 by 7 into cost of 1 t-shirt is 210. Now simplified, you are going to get the answer. 7 ones are 7, 30s are 35 is a 150. So cost of 1 trouser is equal to rupees 150. This is the answer.